Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable fall detection and crash detection on Apple Watch SE 3. In order to do this, you have to open the app library on the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch and search for the watch application. Once you find it, open it, then scroll to the Emergency SOS option and then open it. Now, in order to enable the crash detection, you have to switch this toggle to the right, and in order to enable the fall detection, switch this one to the right too, and then select either always on or only on during workouts, depending on when you want your fall detection to be active. And that's the simple answer on how you can enable both fall and crash detection on your Apple Watch SE 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.